Bench testing a 1963-64 Cadillac 4-position driver's master window switch, serial number DMW 08312024, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, window position number 1, upcycle. Test number 2, window position number 2, upcycle. Test number 3, window position number 3, upcycle. Test number 4, window position number 4, upcycle. Test number 5, window position number 1, down cycle. Test number 6, window position number 2, down cycle. Test number 7, window position number 3, down cycle. Test number 8, window position number 4, down cycle. Test number 1, window position number 1, upcycle. Upcycle and off. Test number 2, window position number 2, upcycle. Upcycle and up. Test number 3, window position number 3, upcycle. Upcycle and off. Test number 4, window position number 4, upcycle. Upcycle and off. Test number 5, window position number 1, down cycle. Down cycle and off. Test number 6, window position number 2, down cycle. Down cycle and off. Test number 7, window position number 3, down cycle. Down cycle and off. Test number 8, window position number 4, down cycle. Down cycle and off.